Good morning students. Today we will learn about symmetry. Students, here we have three figures. In these figures we see dotted lines. Dotted line divides the figure into two equal parts. Dotted line फिगर को टू इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रही है. स्टूडेंट्स, डॉटेड लाइन इज कॉल्ड लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. डॉटेड लाइन जो फिगर को टू इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करती है उसे लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री कहते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, इन सिमेट्रिकल फिगर्स वन पार्ट विल ओवरलैप विद द अदर पार्ट एग्जैक्टली लाइक दिस. One part will overlap the other part exactly. These figures are called symmetrical figures. This is line of symmetry. Let's start exercise 7.3. Our first term is tick the figures which are divided into two mirror halves. Two mirror halves, two इक्वल पार्ट्स बाय द डॉटेड लाइन. हमें उन्हीं फिगर्स को टिक करना है जिसमें डॉटेड लाइन फिगर को टू इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रही हो. लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट पार्ट. इन दिस पार्ट डॉटेड लाइन डिवाइड द फिगर इनटू टू इक्वल पार्ट, सो वी पुट टिक हेयर. लेट्स सी द बी पार्ट. इन बी पार्ट the figure is divided into two equal part by the dotted line, so we put tick here. Let's see the third part. In this part dotted line does not divide the figure into two equal part, so we put cross here. Do all part like this. Let's see the second sum. Which of the following figures can be divided into two similar halves using a line? Draw the line of symmetry if any. Students, we see that in first part we can divide this figure into two similar halves, but in B part we see that we cannot divide this figure into two similar halves because one part will not overlap the other part exactly. So we do not draw line of symmetry here. Let's see the third part. In C part we cannot divide the figure into two similar halves because one part will not overlap with the other part exactly. But D and E part we see that we can divide these parts into two similar halves, so we can draw the line of symmetry here. Draw the symmetry line like this. Let's see the third sum. Draw the other half of the shape and find out what is it. Students, half shape given. Now we will draw the half shape. We use scale for this. Students, when we draw the other half of the shape, we get a kite. So write kite here and draw like this.